What's up, YouTube? Welcome to More Trade. This is an update on Solana. Solana on the 4-hourly looks like it is double topping, which isn't good. However, we usually like to see the double top below a big significant EMA, like a 200 EMA. But if it happens like this, then that's just the way it happened. We are below the 200 EMA, as after this pump, we were above it, and now we broke below it, pumped above it, and we're just ranging. This is a perfect range for scalp traders or range traders. Now, you see on this indicator, you have once the 8 and 13 and 21 cross the 55 on the 4-hourly or whatever time frame you're using, the next candle that opens and closes below the 8 EMA is your sell signal. Then you get in and you go for that short. But however, a lot of times you get pumped out of it. It rotates the opposite direction, whether you're longing or you're shorting. Then you could get a continuation after that. I am cautious when I use indicators because I like to rely on my own technical analysis. Now, if we look at the RSI indicator, we are not in the overbought in the 4-hourly. We don't have any divergences at the moment. We are not forming any significant divergences on the daily time frame. Let's see. On the daily time frame, we have bearish divergence. As you can see over here on Solana, we have a high and a high. Even when you go with candle closes, they're very close. And on the RSI, you can clearly see you have a high over here and a lower high here. That is bearish divergence, and bearish divergence is a trend reversal. The short-term trend was to the upside, and we must most probably will see a rotation further to the downside. This is a double topping pattern. The measured move for that is you take the lower high, and you take it to the neckline, and 26.7 to 19.7. It's around $7 move. So from the low over here of this neckline, you could break down another $7. So it's saying that $12 is on the table as per this measured move. And if you want to confirm that, if you want confluence for that, we could go to another chart. $12. Let's look at $12. Do we have anything significant at $12? Let's go from the low over here to the high over there. Take that price away. $12. Somewhere around the $13 is the POC. $12 would be the 0.786, would be at 11.841. Now let me just take out let me remove these EMEs and take the trend line, and let me just draw a line from the high there to the neckline, and you take it to the bottom over here. We'll put the neckline just at the bottom over here. Brings us down, even though the line is not straight, but it brings us down around that area, the POC and the 0.786. It brings us, that measured move could take us down to 12.5. So you need to be aware of that measured move, and that we're below, on the daily, we're not below the 55 EMA, we're trying to hold it, but on the 4-hourly, we are even below the 200. So the 200 EMA is above us on the 4-hourly. That may take us down a bit on the short term to medium term. Long term, Solana can still get a move up. I always said that even if we break down, that is the bullish target could be at around the $12 range that I told you, the 0.786. Then we could continue up, and that would just mean that Solana did a 1, and we're coming down for a big 2, and then we're going to make a bigger 3. Bigger or at least equal to this move from $9 all the way up to $26. So yeah, that's Solana. Targets to the upside. If you if we want to assume a bullish narrative now and we want to say that Solana isn't going down, we will hold this value area low, that value area high that you see over here. You see we're getting some kind of support. Then we could have a target for Solana between, we say this one was finished over here. Actually, yeah, the length of wave one. Wait, I'll take the length of wave 3 and bring it down to this bigger 4. So you need to understand this is all projection, nothing's guaranteed. So the length of wave 3 possibly started over here. And the length of wave, the bottom of wave 4, the first target using the third wave can take us to this region, the 0.618 at around 28,155. That is a bullish target for Solana. So as I always said, that if Solana can get above the 25K, then we can see 26 and higher, but we haven't been able to do that for a while. So yeah, $28 is the first target. My second target for Solana, let me see, we got that over there. So now what do you want to do when you start getting to these targets? What do they mean? You have another target at 33.5. What do you mean by targets? Targets are places where you'll be interested, either if you are long at this point, as there will be resistance, you want to take profit one or a small amount, and the next target, if you get there, maybe another amount. These targets are possible reversal zones, because that means our move could be maxed out. This fifth, we could assume that this is a fifth wave and we're in a 1, 2, and we're going up in a 3. And then you know that you're going to have some pullback. So you want to maximize your profits. Then you have targets to decide, okay, I'm going to pull out some money and I'm going to take my money out at this point. Then you have a plan and you're all right. But you see, we're still stalling at that 25.731. We've always had this. My next support to the downside, 18.343. Yeah, that's my update for Solana. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the likes. And if you really like the content, subscribe to the channel. And you could even join the free Discord, and you can even support the channel through a link available in the video description. It's much appreciated. More trades, I'm out.